Just rotate like this and then we'll make the Rumali Roti, Aloo, Matar, Capsicum. Put all the potatoes in there. You want to fry them till they are nice and soft. So I'm going to add the capsicum pieces. 30 seconds of frying should be good enough. I'm going to toss off a little bit of butter. One last mixing. Aloo, Matar, Capsicum. This has come out excellent. Rumali Rotis. Tere piece, the Shimla Mirchi, Aloo and all that. This is just outstanding. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. And today we're going to make a very simple dish, aloo, matar, capsicum. This is one of the very delicate dish, and you have to make sure that the green peas, the potatoes and the capsicum, all of them are nice and tender. Yet you can retain the nice natural colors. We have the oil ready at the hotel, so we fry them and then we keep aside and then we put in the gravy. The oil is not very hot, so I'm going to add the capsicum pieces. Fry them. You have to be very careful. You always have to use a strainer like thing, otherwise the oil will be overflowing. In case the oil overflows, you can remove some of the frying capsicum. And don't fry too much, just 30 seconds of frying should be good enough, and transfer. You can retain the best color, and as well as these things will be slightly cooked. Look at them, the capsicum will be shining. So the capsicum is ready, and in the same oil we are going to fry the potatoes also. Potatoes will take longer time. We are going to drain out the water. Instead of boiling, you can also fry the potatoes and add. At home, when you do not want to use so much oil. So what you can do is, you can take a little bit of oil and then slowly fry it with the lid on. Even that way you can cook, but we do it much faster at the hotels by using this oil frying method. Put all the potatoes in there. You want to fry them till they are nice and soft. You don't need to get these potatoes all colorful or anything. They are nicely fried. They are fully cooked also, because I have cut them into nice small pieces. When you put the masalas and all that, these potatoes will taste extremely good. That is the reason in lot of weddings and all that, when they have this aloo, matar, capsicum and all that, they just do this frying method, because it is easy to get the best of the best taste and also retain the shapes of the vegetables. So look at this. Now the potato is nicely cooked. The capsicum also nicely colorful. Now we have to combine both of them and make a very nice dish. Add the onions. This much should be good enough. Add salt and let this get nice slightly golden color. Fry them and then we will do the rest of things. And after this is slightly golden, then we are going to add the masalas, and these vegetables will just be tossed in it and it will come out extremely good. Look at these onions are slightly getting colored. In this, we are going to add the rest of the masalas here. Add turmeric. When you are making dry like this, you want some color. With this, add some ginger garlic paste. Now make sure that the ginger garlic paste is cooked well. In this is getting too dry. You can also add a little bit of water. We are going to add the rest of the masalas. Jeera powder, coriander powder, add green chilli, add pinch of garam masala, add lot of chopped coriander. This also will give very nice taste. I think I may have to add a little more water in this. And in this, add some crushed pepper. Now the desired taste I have got, but salt has to be enough, because I'm going to add some more salt. In this, we are going to add the potatoes first. All the masalas has to coat these potatoes. Toss them up like this, and slowly this will start getting dry. In this, we are going to add the green peas, because these green peas are already boiled. We are going to add tomatoes. These tomatoes will not be fully cooked. They will be, kind of letting out its juices. I think I forgot to add the coriander powder. So just a little bit. You just want the entire thing to be dried out. You can see that this is all getting perfect. Put the lid on and let it simmer. Now what we are trying to do is, the best of the juices get evenly distributed and it will get tasty. When that is perfectly done, we are going to put the capsicum on the top in the last. This is all ready. In this, we are going to add the capsicum. If you want, you can add a little bit of chaat masala. This just to enhance the flavor, not much. And the salt was little less. This is a final toss. In this, we are going to add kasuri methi powder. not too much. This is also just flavorful. I'm going to toss off a little bit of butter. That's it. The one last mixing. This is all perfect and nice. This is what the color I want. I want the shine of tomato. I want the shine of the potatoes, shine of the capsicum and the green peas. This is all ready. Let's go ahead and make a simple roti. And you can do various kinds of rotis if you mix maida and atta in equal proportion and make a soft dough. In fact, we have a kadai here. We can make a kind of a quick Rumali roti also and eat. If you have a tawa at home, it's very easy to make Rumali roti also, but you need a high pressure burner like this. We have to season the tawa, just add some salt in the water, and this is what will make it non-stick. This salt formation on this will prevent the roti from sticking and also will give a very nice thing. Let's go ahead and make the roti. So for this, what I have done is I have taken equal quantity of atta and maida, mixed it and made into a soft dough. You can just roll the entire thing. You don't have to swing it in the air. But if you want to swing it in the air, I have shown the techniques of how to do it. Just with a cloth, you can see that video that, you just have to take a cloth and practice. After that, you can, throw it in the air and then make rumalis and do it on this. But we'll not do that. We'll make a very simple rumali at home. Dough is not that soft as I wanted, but that's okay. You can make the way you want at home. You can make as many mistakes as you want. See, when you go to the edges, make the edges thin and the center slightly thicker. So keep doing this till if it sticks somewhere, just rotate it, take some more flour, dust it, then again go ahead, roll it. Maximum you try to make it on the table itself, then you will be able to cook it on the pan. I don't know how many years it's been that I have made the rumalis, but still I think it is there in me. So just keep doing like this, and whenever we do it, we kind of stretch on the corners, and this will become thin and nice. Then we're going to put it on a hot ulta tawa. Finally, this has become bigger than what I can handle, and this is good. So what they do is they kind of stretch it. Still, I think I can stretch it, but I think too much of maida is there, so it's kind of stretching back. And then just rotate like this, and then we'll make the rumali roti just on the hot tawa. And here you have to be a little bit careful, and when you get these bubbles, then this is all done. Then this is ready to serve. Don't burn them, so just make it good, and this is ready to serve. Aloo Matar capsicum, this has come out excellent. And one mistake I have done, once this is done while making the roti, I put the lid on, so the capsicum lost its sheen, but still this is nice. As I have told you, the potatoes literally have to, my God, we make so many, masala dar, this, that, but it's humble potato with capsicum flavoring and accompanying green peas, and this is just outstanding. Dear friends, make it nice. Even though we fried and all that, there is some juiciness to this dish. And then if you have something very nice like rumali rotis, tear a piece, and the rumali roti also is so thin and nice that it will melt in your mouth. The Shimla Mirchi, aloo and all that, this is just outstanding. These are everyday dishes in Indian homes. Whether in South India, they make it slightly different, they add the spices differently. In North India, they make it a little different. But I have made a spice that everybody will love it. Dear friends, make this simple recipe and you will love it. And you can make, if you make rumali or even thin pulka, it is the same thing. Make it. The whole idea is, every day you got to eat good food, fresh food, and keep saying whatever. Enjoy life.